Struggling with equipment issues? Genie makes expert support instant. Our AI-powered remote assistant uses computer vision to identify objects during live video calls, helping technicians diagnose problems immediately. No confusion. No delays. Just fast, intelligent solutions. Getting started is simple. Invite users via email or text link, or they can join instantly using a session code. Once connected, AI monitors the live video feed in real time. It detects people, tools, and objects, delivering live audio guidance as you work. Need custom AI? Easily plug in your own models to analyze live video and audio, tailored to your specific workflows. Here's how it works technically: video streams to a cloud-hosted session managed by our SFU. Multiple AI agents process the feed in real time for intelligent automated assistance. Remote experts can also join to guide users directly. The result? Faster fixes, smarter collaboration, and minimal downtime. Genie, expert support, instantly.